Okay, so let's start with the last video that I've made for you. So this one is for horizontal analysis. So I prepared na 2 years. So this one is the year that we prepared, the 2024, and the year last or previous year of Emerald Corporation. So this one is the income statement of Emerald. So having a net income of 717,000. This time, we're not going to prepare any ratio analysis since we already do the ratio analysis for 2024. But if needed, we will also prepare the ratio of 2023. But what we need to do is just to prepare the horizontal analysis. So, okay. So, by having this here, so what you need to do is to get the difference between the new year and the base. This one is the present year and the previous year. So what you need to do is to get the difference of these two, 3 million minus 25 or present minus previous. And whatever the result, this will be your um, change in peso. So yun yung perang difference niya. And then you need to divide it to the previous year in order to get the percentage of the horizontal analysis. So let's do it. So, so we have equals, open and close parentheses, 3 million, and then minus the previous year. So you have the difference of 50,000, 500,000. And then this 500,000 should be divided again to previous year, which is 2,500,000. So you will get the percentage. And then because you already get the difference, ang gagawin na lang natin, we just copy. Copy na lang. Okay? Copy the result. And then, yan. So here we have difference of negative 2.78 since from the present year, it's only 875 than 900,000 of 2023 in terms of cost of sale. Okay, so we just copy the result here, copy, and then paste. Okay, so this one is very easy. So copy and then paste. Okay, so you try to put na lang the lines. Okay. And then we also have here the lines in gross profit. And then the double rule when it comes to net income. Okay, so same procedure. So we just copy this one, copy, and then go to the stockholders' equity. Yan. So it's the same now. And then for the balance sheet, again, we are going to, we can copy or we prepare again the computation so that you will easily follow me. So equals, open and close parentheses, go to present year, minus the previous year, close, and then you divide it to the 2023 or the last year. So you have 72% difference. And then proceed with the copy paste procedure. So you copy, then go downward here. And then this time again, copy. And then get the amount, I mean the percentage. Okay, copy. And then the percentage. And then this one, we can also do it one by one. See, the percentage of the total liabilities and capital is also the same with the percentage of the total asset. Okay, so we can prepare now our line here, here. And in double rule, we prepare first all the lines. And then the double rule. Double rule. Okay. Okay, so here's the end result. So I already put it in one Excel. So I will give it to you later. But you need to understand what happened to the vertical analysis, horizontal analysis, ratio analysis in one financial statement. So I hope you understand all of this topic because this one is the topic for the overall process of uh, financial management subject. Okay, again, let's end this topic and I hope you understand this. Thank you, guys.